Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it above 50% and remove any case or protector because pressure alters readings. Once done, back up critical data. This prevents panic if you must reset. Now open Settings, go to Additional Settings, then Accessibility. These menus hold calibration and touch sensitivity controls. You want direct access. Make sure Developer Options is enabled if you plan to use pointer location for diagnostics. This step sets up accurate tests and avoids wasted effort later. You now diagnose the behavior. Enable Developer Options and turn on pointer location so you can see touch traces. This shows ghost touches or dead zones. Then run the built-in screen test from Settings or the Realme diagnostic app. Follow on-screen prompts to tap targets. Make adjustments in display settings for touch sensitivity, and clean the screen with a soft microfiber cloth using isopropyl 70% if oily residue appears. These steps let you isolate hardware versus software causes. Finish with corrective actions. Perform a soft reset first. If issues persist, back up and run a factory reset to remove software faults. If touch problems remain after a reset, inspect for moisture, swelling battery, or visible damage. These require professional repair. Make sure to try Safe Mode to rule out third-party apps before resetting. If Safe Mode fixes it, uninstall recent apps. And remember, if you see hardware symptoms, take the phone to an authorized Realme service center for a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.